Hi guys, it's Natalie. Welcome to my channel. How's everybody doing out there in YouTube land? I hope well. Today it's been an okay day. I did some lashes. I'm getting used to my weave. Oh, I had an issue. So if you hear Sean screaming, I'm sorry. So I washed it last night and I get out and I'm like, okay, I gotta blow dry it because, you know, like underneath you don't want it to be like all wet and gross. I realized that I took my hair dryer with me when I did lashes somewhere and I left it there and I was like, okay, great. I don't have a hair dryer. That's wonderful. Come up here. Show YouTube. Come on, show YouTube what you're wearing on your legs. Sean has gone to the bathroom 500 times today. He just keeps using the potty. Come on, come through. Come up here, show YouTube.
Go YouTube. Go YouTube. Ah!
Look how long
Too high. Too high.
Say hi, YouTube. Okay, Lord have mercy on my soul. Got Sean upstairs with an ice cream bribe. Hopefully I have enough time to finish this video. But anyway, why are we here? Tomorrow I'm gonna explain what's been going on, why I'm like so crazy all over the place lately, and I feel like I'm not getting out my makeup like I used to. So I had a Marshalls video I was gonna put out for today, but I found this product that I had ordered off Wish. I ordered it months and months ago and it took months to get here. I forgot I even ordered it. Like I opened it one day and I was like, oh, okay. And it was almost like, you know how when you're like, something took so long that you don't even care anymore. So I like threw it aside and I didn't really look at it. And like last night was the first time I really looked at it. And what I found in my bag honestly amazed me. Now, I don't know if I'm gonna tell you this and everyone's gonna be like, oh yeah, we get that all the time. I've never seen anything like what was sent in my package. And it was a little piece of paper. It was like what is written on the paper. I don't know if it's because like I'm a marketing major and business major, but I was astounded by this. So I have the Farsali Rose Gold Elixir and I love this. I got it last year and I've really enjoyed it. So I see they have like the unicorn one and the volcanic one, and you know, I was like ordering some stuff on Wish, and after I ordered, like I ordered some junky makeup, and then I heard all about the counterfeit makeup and how it can be really bad for you, and I ended up not really using it. I threw it out because the one thing, it smelled crazy, and I was like, I'm not using this. So I got all of that stuff, and then months later this came, but it was all ordered at once. So I believe this was only $5 and then some shipping. Honestly, no, I know I got this with shipping for under $10 and I thought it was going to be a small size one, but it ended up being the full size. And I kind of figured, I mean, I knew that it was probably going to be like a counterfeit one, but I was like, let's try it anyway. Like, it's not a lot of money. It's under 10 bucks. I want to see like what I'm getting. Okay, so right off the bat, you can tell that it's fake. If you pull up what it looks like online, it says the Farsali, it says the Volcanic Elixir, Polynesian Beauty Oil, but it does not say this underneath. The rich in vitamin A, E, omega-3, 6, and 9. It just didn't look right how it was written. Like it didn't say like the fluid ounces or anything. The bottom says manufactured in USA for Farsali Incorporated. Huh, that's weird. Then it says like Farsali.com, ingredients. Calophyllum inophyllum oil. Tamanu oil. No animal ingredients, no animal testing, plant-based ingredients, paraben-free. The other side, directions. Shake well before use. Apply to face and neck morning and night for best results. Then written in a different language. Okay, volcanic elixir made with 100% natural tamanu oil, fast absorbing, lightweight, beneficial properties, help condition reduce. Volcanic effect. Tamanu fruit particularly flourishes in the South Pacific islands of Polynesia due to the volcanic atmosphere. The volcanic ash contains minerals that are beneficial to plants and provide nutrients to the soil. The nutrient-rich Polynesian soil creates the most potent and effective tamanu oil. Is that the ingredients? Let me look and see if that's the ingredients in, yeah. But see, it says Tamahacha seed oil for the real one. So I could tell, like, just from looking at the box that it was fake, and then when you open it, it actually looks pretty accurate. It has the fluid ounces this way. See, this one says manufactured in the USA, Concord, Ontario, and Canada. And the real one says Miami, Florida. Ew, and the inside of the box is dirty. Like, it's dirty in there. Okay. Alright, so I got that. I was like, it's a fake, whatever, and I kind of ignored it. It came from Bangkok, but it was produced in Canada, you know, like, okay. So then there's this. So I saw this little, like, note in there, and I was like, okay, it's gonna say something stupid, you know, you don't even read that. And, like, I don't know why, I started reading it, because it just looks very, like, bizarre, like this little note, like the purple border, and then polka dots on it, okay? And the one side is in a different language, you cannot read it. And then there is the side that we can read, okay? Just listen to what it says. Hi friend, very nice to meet you. The item was shipped after our double checking, but the delivery may cause damage, working problem, and so on. Please forgive us if you have any problem. Notice, please don't open case or leave us bad feedback, parentheses 1 to 3 stars. It will solve nothing but hurt us. Don't hesitate to contact us if you need help. We promise all your problem must be solved 100% through our efforts. Or if you're satisfied with this order, please give us 5 stars feedback. Your supports will encourage us do better in the future. Have a happy day. I'm gonna take a picture of this and insert it on the screen so you can see what I'm talking, like, what company? That would be like me with my company being like, hey, if I glue your eyelids closed, you can't go on and leave a bad comment on any of my sites. You can't let people know about that. You have to leave a good comment anyway if you like it, or if you don't like it, you're only allowed to contact me. You're not allowed to give negative feedback. Like, are you kidding me? And the fact that they have to say that shows me how much negative feedback you're getting. Like, I don't know. I just had to make this video and address this because I was like, what is going on here? Like, there is so many fake products, and I know now everybody is into using, what is it? The Hush app. I still have yet to order. I guess I trust that. Yeah, like, has anyone ever gotten anything fake from there? I know it's apparently supposed to be legit, but I'm just asking anyway. Just curious. So I wanted to talk about this because it's such an issue with fake makeup, counterfeit makeup, but this is counterfeit skincare. Like, this is, so you're putting on fake makeup and then you're putting on fake skincare after your fake makeup. Like, do people realize what this could do to their skin? Like, I know it's saying that it's that oil, but do I trust it? No. I want to open it and see. I want to see what it looks like. Because, I mean, I'm just going to end up throwing this out. So, let's take a look in here. Oh, that smells just like that other. Does anyone remember when I was going to put on makeup that I got off of here and I was like, it smells like cat pee? That's what that smells like. I need to see what the oil looks like. I have to see what the oil looks like. Okay, that's what it looks like. It's the same color. I just looked. I wish you could smell it through the screen. Who has it? Does it smell like... I'm not even touching it to my skin. No, I am... Now that I'm weird about like how I take care of myself and my skin, no thank you. No thank you, friends. No thank you, friends. I will not be putting this on my skin. So that leads me to like, it's just... Honestly, I'm telling you, I keep it as simple as possible. Like, yes, I do get different skincare products and I try them out because of like what I'm doing, but I see some people like using like, oh, these products, they show you their like skincare. It's like, I don't even want all that stuff on my skin. Like, I'm telling you, back in the day when I did barely anything to my skin, I would use like bar soap, like good organic soap. Maybe that was it on my face. I never broke out. Never ever broke out. Then when I started incorporating like drugstore facial cleansers and this and that, my face would break out. My face would break out. It was the less I used, the better. Now, obviously, I have to be using stuff like that because of everything I'm doing, the makeup, and I'm using the retinol, and I'm just, you know, I'm trying to get a routine going, but I'm telling you, sometimes less is more. Like, when I hear someone say, like, I don't really use anything, like, I just do it, wash my face in the shower. I'm like, if it works for you, it works for you. I can't stand, like, every time I'm in Sephora, and I'm not saying it's Sephora, it's just, you know, like, people who are, like, trained in this stuff. If I say, like, I don't really like, I use a moisturizer now, but if I would be like, I'm not always, like, I don't use a moisturizer, they would literally go, no, you don't use some moisturizer? You have to use some moisturizer. And I want to be like, no, like, and I really don't care what anyone says. Everybody's skin is different. If you take care of yourself on a level that you are just healthy, like from the inside out, and you feel you don't need a moisturizer, but you use something else that kind of conditions your skin, whether it be a serum or this or that, that's fine. Like, I was talking to them about this like serum, and she's like, no, you cannot use that as a moisturizer. No, you still have to use a moisturizer. And I'm like, why? Is there a law book written that I'm like, oh yes, right here, A51-27-9 says you have to use a moisturizer. Like, get out of here. Like, okay, where am I even going with this? I am always all over the place. So anyway, my point being is, I almost feel like people feel they need to use like all these products, like 20 different products in this intense routine, and they can't afford all these products, especially like say they're not working or younger. So they're buying stuff like this because they're like, oh, I gotta put a serum on my face. You are safer to use, go to Walmart, go to Marshall's, buy a $4 bar of organic soap. That is safer to use on your face than going and buying stuff like this that you don't even know if it's real, and using this intense skincare routine of fake products. Like, yeah, if you're buying good products, that's one thing, but it just scares me because I know that not everybody can afford, like, honestly, if this wasn't what I was doing for a living, I would not be spending this type of money that I do on skincare and on beauty. I'm fortunate that this is what I'm doing, so I'm able to, because this is my focus. But if it wasn't, I would be buying good products, but maybe only a couple, and I truly think that's all you need. Like, if I take my makeup off, and I'm gonna do a skincare video, you'll see that my skin is probably the best it's ever been. And I'm using prescription strength retinol. I'm trying to eat better, making sure my water intake is good. I don't use a moisturizer every day. I truly don't. When I put my retinol on at night, I put it on alone. Nothing else goes on my skin. I don't have a nighttime skincare routine, nothing. My retinol, and then in the morning, I have to use a moisturizer now because of the retinol. That's really it. I do try different products here and there, and because I'm looking for something that wows me. But I just don't think we gotta go so overboard. Like, look at what it says about these the fake makeup products. So in these fake makeup products, okay, they're finding lead, copper, mercury, arsenic, and cadmium found in high concentration. And it also said that tests found high levels of aluminum, like I said, which is linked to Alzheimer's, and beryllium, a known carcinogen, and bacteria in the products. Remember I said before, they said they were finding traces of cat urine obviously from feces from facilities that aren't clean in other countries that have an overpopulation of these animals living in the street. They're probably living in the factories, going in the products. Like, oh my God, could you imagine? Could you imagine? That's terrible. So yeah, so I want to say I bought that for $5, and you can buy it from Sephora or from them for $39. And if you're Rouge, like I am, free shipping. So I would rather spend $30 extra to know I'm not putting cat poop and dog urine and cancer and everything else onto my face for my skincare routine. And that is the purpose of my video. It is to tell you to not put dog poop and cat pee on your face. I guess that's why I made this video. Yeah, so I don't know. As I was saying, in all seriousness, I was going to film something else for today, and I found that last night, and I was like, no, this has been sitting here for so long, which it's, you know, I always throw stuff in the garbage can that I don't like. It's a garbage can item, that's for sure. I thought I had to share that with you because I just could not believe that. No, like who? That's when you know you're probably getting something with cancer in it. When they tell you you're not allowed to leave them 1 to 3 stars. You're not even allowed to do 3 stars. It's not an option. I'm about to leave them 3 stars just because they made me mad. But yeah, so tomorrow we will be talking about something I want to share with you guys during story time about what's going on in my life. And then as soon as my Equality, I ordered the Equality little mini lip bundle from Jeffree. As soon as it gets here, I'm going to do a video swatching those, and I am gonna do an eye look with it, because see the eye look I did today, people keep asking me to do a tutorial on these looks. Like, this is like my go-to thingy, and it's so easy. Like how I like round it at the end and kind of like blend it into really light. So I think I'm gonna do kind of like maybe a gay pride month one, woo, 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 and do like a little tutorial on that and a lip swatchy bundle thing. So hopefully that's this week. And check out my Jeffree giveaway on my Instagram. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. All my stuff's linked below, and subscribe to this channel. And yeah, thumbs up. Love you guys. Bye.